Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel, PyMind by Osama. This channel is all about making your journey into Python and AI clear and practical. So, what is PyMind? It's your step-by-step AI learning journey from Python basics all the way to advanced topics like deep learning, large language models, and AI agents. Each week I will share beginner-friendly videos that help you build real projects, understand core concepts, and actually see how AI works. Whether you want to train your first model or build your own chatbot, PyMind will guide you there one step at a time. So here is how the learning path is structured. We will start with Python foundations, then move through data processing, machine learning, deep learning, LLMs, and finally AI agents. Each phase builds on the previous one. So by the end, you will not only understand AI, you will build it. So we'll start with Python foundations. We'll start by setting up your environment, learning Python syntax, working with data structures, and building small projects. By the end of this phase, you will be ready to write clean, efficient Python code. Next, we will dive into data, cleaning and visualizing data, and transforming it into something your models can actually learn from. You will get hands-on tools like pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn, and learn how to handle real-world messy data. Then comes machine learning, where things get exciting. We will cover how models learn from data, how to train, evaluate, and tune them, and then build a complete end-to-end ML project together. After that, we will jump into deep learning, understanding neurons, layers, and building neural networks from scratch. We will use TensorFlow and PyTorch and works with CNNs, RNNs, and LSTMs. You will actually train your own models and see them improve. Then we move to model AI, the world of transformers and large language models. You will learn about embeddings, tokenization, prompt engineering, and even how to safely use APIs from platforms like OpenAI, Mistral. Finally, we will explore AI agents, systems that can plan, use tools, and act autonomously. We will use frameworks like LangChain and LangGraph to build practical real-world agent that can automate tasks or even collaborate with other AIs. If that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and follow along. Each video will bring you closer to building your own intelligent systems, one project at a time. Welcome to PyMind, where we turn curiosity into creation. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week.